How to fix Wise app not working. Let's get started. Open your App Store. Now search for the app Wise. You have to update this app. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update your app to its latest version. After completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, you have to clear the cache for the app. For that, open your settings. Scroll down, head towards the option of General, open the option iPhone Storage. Now from here you have to find the app Wise. Once you find it, open it. Now click on a Float app, click on a Float app, click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards very last solution, you have to completely delete this app and reinstall it. For that, you have to long press on the app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. After completion of deletion process, open your App Store, search for the app Wise and install it. With that, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Wise app not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.